We can build the RAG. Then I start asking questions. I started with a number of questions, a lot of them getting wrong answers. Then I started with just one question, a lot of not found, except for the PDF Plumber. It came with the exact numbers that I wanted. And this is where it's not anymore about your extraction, but also your retrieval plus your reasoning. So be very careful when you're extracting. Then you put it inside a RAG because you split it. And any split can just also cause that disjoint of information. And if you just make the chunks too big, it's too much of information, too little, it's just too fragmented. And I tried different embeddings and different size of chunking. I made chunk size way bigger and the number of K higher. And then DPT start to win when the other ones still were not giving any information except the PDF Plumber. Docling, LlamaParse, and Unstructured didn't give any good information. Even I improved my embedding and chunking, and PDF Plumber in general stayed a stable thing, and DPT is an expensive alternative. And when it came to one-page information, then it was LlamaParse and Docling that gave a lot of good results. In none of my tests, Unstructured came out as something special. Then I thought, let me just improve a little bit also on LlamaParse. So I made a verbose is true because it gives a timeout. So then the problem was resolved for LlamaParse. But then I noticed that I had to use another embedding, which was not working very well for DPT or PDF Plumber. So it's really important to work with your use case. There is no such thing that Docling is amazing. DPT is amazing. None of them are just the magic box. Each of them are good with a set of parameters. You have to really play around with those parameters. So just out of the box, I noticed none of them is working. As an AI engineer, data scientist, AI professional, you need to still set the parameters for your problem. Otherwise, you would not get any good result. So that's the comparison and the way I noticed, especially when you are working combined with RAG. Remember that you do not have only the problem, which is extraction, but also retrieval plus reasoning. And those three problems get combined, and then you need to resolve those problems separately.